Hello again from Digicool Things. A short video to provide a big update on my first Tindie listed creation. Some years ago, in fact way back in 2017, I designed an EPROM adapter for reading and programming popular retro 16-bit ROMs, using the low-cost and hugely popular TL866 series programmer, which many retro hobbyists have on hand. As far as I know, this EPROM adapter was the first one to implement my innovative Rotary Switch bank selector. At the time, I had been frustrated with the various fiddly dip switch or jumper-based adapters, which were randomly available, and not always even available, from different sellers on eBay. Therefore, I designed the current Digicool Things EPROM adapter, and over the past few years, many have been shipped to all corners of the world. In addition, I've seen at least one copy of my original Rotary Switch based design. Given how my adapter has helped many other retro enthusiasts with their own projects over the last few years, I decided it would be fun to revisit the design. I thought I'd take the time to see if I can celebrate my improved adapter by coming up with an even further improved version 2 design. Given the proven success of the existing version 1 model, this would seem an interesting challenge. So I worked away in the background and produced a new improved design that I was finally happy made a worthy successor. Not to stop there, I then also made real use of the new design regularly and exclusively for the past few months, to further ensure that I was 100% happy that it was a worthy upgrade. So without further ado, I now present the EPROM Adapter version 2. On the left, you can see an existing, time-proven version 1 adapter. In fact, the very one I've been using for several years. On the right, you can see the new version 2 adapter. The first thing you'll notice is that I've chosen to go with a black PCB instead of the standard green PCB of the prior version. I decided the black PCB looked a lot nicer and gave a more finished look for this open PCB based product. Now, apart from the PCB colour, the version 2 adapter includes the following enhancements. Firstly, a more appropriate 8-position rotary switch was chosen to match the maximum 8 banks supported. This replaces the BCD 10-position switch of the prior version. Next, the rotary switch has been upgraded to a 3x3 pin footprint package to ensure optimal mechanical robustness. This replaces the 1x4 pin footprint of the prior version, where one side only had one pin mechanically securing the switch to the PCB. For the new design, the surface mount device count has been reduced from 7 components to just 5, improving the manual surface mount assembly efficiency. Finally, the bank select EPROM address pins are now nicely logic gate level driven, instead of just using direct switch pull-up resistors, making for a much more elegant solution. Now, to cap it off, despite this list of design improvements, the version 2 adapter remains at the same price as its predecessor. I decided that even with some additional component cost, that I would absorb this, so that there is no additional cost for end users. In addition to all this, the version 2 enhancements have also been applied to the special black and gold edition that was released in 2024. Combined with the new black coloured PCB, this really makes the black and gold edition now really look the part. So there you have it. I think my perfectionist tendencies towards this adapter have now been fully satisfied. If you'd like one, then please visit my Tindie store. If you already have enjoyed the use of version 1, then you might even consider celebrating with me by also upgrading to version 2. Have fun. That's it. Thanks for watching.